morning, welcome back to another video. Today, kind of have a special little trip planned. We're going from Lake Havasu City over to Amboy. It's a little airstrip, little town along Route 66, flying there, and then head over to San Diego. So, weather is absolutely beautiful today. Clear sky, no wind, so we'll have a good flight over there, kind of stay low. We got to stay under some MOAs, and then go into Amboy, play around there for a minute, kind of check out that small little town, and then on to San Diego, busy little airspace. We're going into Palomar, but it's kind of surrounded by, a busy SoCal area, so it should be a good time. So, welcome back. Let's get today rolling. Lake Havasu City traffic, Skywagon 2322 Charlie departing runway 32, left turn out to the west. Lake Havasu.
Left the big city for the simple country life. Found myself a woman that it took for me to be my wife. I was working on the ground come the sun up to sundown. Hey, I'm trying to make a reputation for a man inside this town. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. Kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star.
Amboy traffic, Skywagon 22 Charlie left crosswind to left downwind, landing to the south, Amboy. Alright, like it. Wind's calm, runway looks good, we'll land at the beginning part of the runway. Amboy traffic, Skywagon 22 Charlie left base, landing to the south, Amboy. Amboy traffic, Skywagon 22 Charlie is turning final, landing to the south, Amboy.
Yeah, I know George Jones and Gary Sturt. All them young guns, yeah, they've been through. Tell you one thing that you won't believe. One ain't nothing but a thing to me. Burn right through them like a cigarette or a line of cocaine on a private jet. I give them good loving like they won't forget. Baby, good Lord knows what time it is. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leave.
Alright, just landed here in Amboy. Got the 180 posted up right by the Royce sign. Cool little town, nothing a whole lot going on here. I guess supposedly they're getting this hotel type deal back up with these little houses here you can rent out. Kind of a little eerie feeling. Oh, looks like you can spend the night here anyways if you needed to. Oh. Cool little place. It's funny because this probably used to be a happening place back in the day along Route 66 here, and now it's just kind of a little ghost town, but it's really cool to visit, so come check it out if you guys ever get the chance. Came to check out this old T hangar right here at the end of the airport. Pretty cool little spot. talked to Kurt, I think it was. He's current postmaster of Amboy right now. He's out traveling around in his RV, but he's been hanging out here for a couple months. So if you guys do end up flying in, make sure to say hi to Kurt. Awesome dude, Vietnam vet. Had a little coffee with him, it was a lot of fun. He said he might be traveling around, so if he's here, be sure to say hi. People are really friendly here. Just kind of checking out the runway as well. I think the plan is I'm gonna taxi down, take off into the sun, but I do like that end of the runway a lot better. So I think that's the plan, is there's a lot smoother and not as many dips. So such a cool spot. I got like the famous picture on the highway with the 180. I'll insert it right here. Thought that was pretty cool. That's like a bucket list item for me. So off to San Diego we go.
And you took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. I'm a honky-tonk star. Lord, I'm a honky-tonk star. Working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, a honky-tonk star.